Hey there, welcome back to the channel. I'm glad you're here. Today we're going to explore the word undo in depth. First, the definition. Undo means to reverse the last action or change made, especially in computing. Think of it simply as pressing a rewind button to fix a recent mistake. Now let's talk about where this word comes from. Origin stories can be fascinating. Undo traces back to the 1970s when it was first popularized in computer interfaces. Over time, it's been used by people working with early computers and word processors. The word has carried through history and still shows up today in surprising ways. So, how do you use undo in everyday language? Let's go through some examples. Correct example 1. I accidentally deleted the file, but I was able to undo the mistake quickly. Correct example 2. I clicked undo after changing the settings by accident. And just for fun, here's a playful wrong example. I tried to undo my homework, but it didn't go well. See how context makes a big difference? Using undo correctly helps your meaning come across clearly, while using it wrong can sound confusing or just funny. Quick recap. Undo means to reverse the last action or change made. It comes from early computer terminology in the 1970s, and you can use it in sentences like the ones we shared. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Try writing your own sentence with undo down in the comments. Get creative. And if you found this helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join us for more word deep dives every day.